Oh,
Whenever you're ready, it's
I'm
recording.
ready.
Well, come on, go.
Okay. Okay, for all you people out there wondering, how do you get rid of the hiccups? Well, I'm going to show you a little trick I learned back in the day, how to get rid of the hiccups. What you do is you tilt your head back about 2 o'clock, and you hopefully you got 4 or 5 stairs, and you tilt your head back, and you, as you're going up the stairs, you continue to drink, and then you come backwards, continue to drink, and that should take care of the hiccups. Watch, I'll show you. See what I mean? No hiccups. Try it at home, and I'll have something for you next week to try.